Oh, hello people. Today I'm in the city of Ciudad Colón, located on the Highway 27 that's connected between San Jose, Escazú, Santa Ana, and then from Ciudad Colón, going all the way down to the Central Pacific coast. And going through Ciudad Colón, you go to the road up the mountains to Puriscal, just for your vacation. Let's do here a city walk and show you a little bit around. Okay, come with me. this is the main road here in Ciudad Colón, and they are under construction today, or this time. New pavement. So it's a very small town. I'm sitting here in a soda in front of the church on the main road, and as you can see, I will first take a cup of coffee before we go forward. So basically, there are all necessary services you need for daily life. Supermarkets, hardware store, pharmacy, small coffee shops. Everything. The people told me that every Saturday there is a farmer's market. So you can buy fresh food, but today not Saturday, it's Friday, so I can show you. There in the distance you can see the college. Students are coming out right now. Police never missing. Nice day today, sunny, warm. So this is the main road. To the left side hand you see the park and the church, and to the left and right side down this road there are a lot of small businesses. On the end of the road you find supermarkets, mid-sized size. So, you know, small, little Shangri-La. That's what I would say. Oh! Before you come to the city, there's also a place called Plaza Via Colón. It's a small shopping center where you can find different shops, like a fresh market. Take a look inside maybe. Oh, really nice sort of supermarket. Lots of parking places. And there is a pharmacy. laboratory. Dry and cleaning shop, washing shop. All kind of small business. Subway. Hola. Today I meet with
Matt.
Matt. What's your full name?
Matt Rodriguez.
Matteo Rodriguez.
Yes.
Okay, so you are a student here in the Ciudad Colón?
Yes, I'm studying.
And how's the name of the college?
The name of the college is Sun Valley High School.
Oh?
Sun Valley High School.
Sun Valley High School.
Yeah.
So is there something special in this high school? It's a private high school or is it
No,
public?
it's a private school.
Private school?
Yeah.
Okay, so and what grade you are right now?
In what grade?
Yes.
11th grade.
11th grade, so it's the last
Yeah,
one.
it's my last year.
Okay, then afterwards you do a study or whatever?
I go to college.
You go to college?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So and tell me about the city. How is Ciudad Colón? Is there something to do for young people?
Oh, yeah. We got the park. It's up there.
What's there up front?
Yeah. So young people almost go and enjoy the time with their friends. Well, we got gyms.
Okay, cool.
Correct. So young people can also do exercise. And I think that's all we got.
Do you also expositions in the nature or something like this?
Yeah, of course we have. There is something called eolicas here.
Okay.
That are the ones that are by wind power.
I heard about this. When people made there
So,
and have picnics and stuff like this.
Yeah. We have in a place called San Bosco. We have places. So people go and also do picnics, that kind of stuff. And also for young people, we have like in the back, we have restaurants.
Okay.
Celebrate. We have a lot of restaurants with pizza, we have food, everything.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a pretty time. Really.
And basically, I think you will also like going to the beach.
Oh yeah.
What's your favorite beach in Costa Rica?
It's called Playa del Po.
Oh, I don't know that. What's that?
It's in Guanacaste, La Cruz.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's in a hotel called Las Mareas.
Okay,
Yeah, it's in the beach.
nice. And so these are here all your classmates?
No, almost. They're my friends.
Ah, they're your friends.
Yeah,
Okay,
I know
cool.
them.
Okay, fine. Perfect. So thank you very much for the interview. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.